Hi traders, welcome back to Noob Sharks channel, and today we're going to have a very good discussion about volume. I see a lot of traders, I see a lot of people just looking at the prices and the prices movement and so on. And in the end, you get trapped several times because you do not consider volume. And I also see a lot of videos on the internet talking about volume here, volume there, volume indicator. But in the end, what the volume means, what these bars down here really means, and not only in stocks, but we are going to talk today about crypto, stocks, and also forex. So stick with us, and I come back in less than 50 seconds.
Welcome to Noob Sharks, channel dedicated to provide the latest trading knowledge. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, we've got you covered. If you're into cryptocurrencies, we'll keep you updated with the latest news and trends in the market. And if you're a stock, forex or commodity trader, we'll give you the edge you need to succeed in the market. Our focus is on providing quality education, so you can make informed trading decisions. So, if you're ready to take your trading skills to the next level, smash the like, subscribe, turn on the notifications and share with your friends. If you want to support us, you can donate your bats from your Brave browser or check the video description for great opportunities on affiliate links, donation wallets and our great merch store. Buckle up and get ready. We are about to start.
And we are back. Guys, just pay attention. Every chart, every single chart you see, you have these bars down here, and everybody talks about, oh, this is the high volume, low volume, volume is decreasing, volume is increasing. And I have to tell you something, most of people doesn't know what this volume means. Okay, first, when people see like a lot of red candles, they see that there are too many selling in the market. When they see a lot of green candles, they say it's a lot of buying happening there. And this is such a big mistake. This is a real interpretation mistake. Okay, because think with me. If let's say if we talk about forex or stocks or even spot negotiations on crypto, okay? If you wanna sell something, okay, someone has to buy it, okay? Someone has to buy it. If you wanna open a long position on futures market, someone has to open a short position. You always have to have your counterpart of the trade. So in the end, you never have more selling than buying. You never have more longs than shorts. What happens in the end is that the how can I tell you, orders are being matched and executed with the price going up, right? And orders are being closed when the price going down, with the price going down. Okay, so in the end, what we see here, is assets changing hands. How many assets changed from hand to hand at that specific period of time? Okay, you never have more selling than buying. You never have more long than shorts. You have always, orders being executed, orders being closed, with the price going up or price going down. Once you have this concept in your head, so we in your head, we can start talking about volume, right? So please never ever say again that you have more selling than buying. Okay, always think about the counterpart of the trade, because with this mindset you're going to start looking at the market in another way. Okay, and how to use volume in your daily basis. Okay, let me delete all of this. Okay, just remember, I'm not American, I'm not Australian, I'm Brazilian, and my accent maybe not be the best in the world. So if for some reason you don't get something that I say here, please comment below. I'm gonna explain you there. And I think I can make a nice job, but your feedback is quite important. Okay, let's start with the stocks market. Okay, let's get, for example, I don't know, Tesla. Okay, when you see the volume down here, okay, what we see is really shares changing from hand to hand. And if we see a red column here, it means that there was this amount of shares changing from hand to hand, and the price was going down every time the papers were changing hands, right? And in the other way, if we see here a green column, it means that the shares were changing hands with the pricing going up, right? Okay. Let me take a look at the forex here. So let's see, for example, Audi USD. Okay, it's just another example. It's once again we see money changing from hand to hand. Okay, when you talk about stocks and forex, okay, and you know, you have the whole amount, right? Because, for example, New York Stock Exchange, you have all of the transactions going through it, and you can measure the whole volume. Things get a little bit tricky when you go to crypto. Okay, let's get here, for example, BTC USDT. Okay, why that? Because you have to choose your exchange. Okay, and once you have no central institution to measure the volume, you might have volumes vary from one exchange to another. Okay, for example, I'm gonna get here Binance. Okay, and let's check on a specific day here. Let's put it in the daily chart. And let's get this very big drop, or let's see, this very big up here. And it happened on 12th of March. And we see here a candle with 16289. Okay, this is our volume. Okay, no, it's how much is it? Volume? Oh no, it's wrong. Sorry. Let me place it here. Okay, 430,000 BTCs, right? Okay, can you see it there? It's up there. It's up here. Okay, you can see it very, very, very easily. Okay, so it's 430 BTCs. Now let's change it. Okay, let's get another. Let's get KuCoin, for example. Also, let's get BitGet. Okay, you have a great referral link regarding BitGet. Okay, here on the video description, you can get bonus, you can get airdrops, and you can also get a deposit bonus. Okay, and here you have only 20,000 BTCs being traded, right? On March the 12th of March here. Okay, and I'm gonna change it once more. Let me get another one here. I don't know. I don't know. I wanna get okay, wherever. Let me get KuCoin for no. I want a bigger one. I want Bybit here. Bybit. Okay. There is also a very good referral link here for Bybit, for Binance, ByteGet, and also BingX. Do not forget to check it. Okay. So let's go there again at March the day 12, and we have here only 7,000 BTCs being negotiated. Okay. So how we handle that on crypto? Okay, I think that I made a small mistake here. Let me come back to Binance to see if I got the right day, the 12th. Okay, we are always talking about the 12th. Okay, and this is really tricky because I see very often here people type BTC, USDT, and choosing any crypto here, you know, just by looking and analyzing volume, and this is quite wrong, guys. This is really, really wrong, because what happens today in the market? Okay, this is May the 3rd, 2023. The rule today is Binance has the biggest trading volume in the market, sometimes going over 30-40% of the market. Okay, and if you choose another exchange to decide to analyze the market, you might find very wrong assumptions. Okay, in the end, until today, let's see tomorrow, Binance is ruling the market, so it's can be you can make several mistakes if you choose to look only at one exchange that is not Binance. Okay, sorry to say that, but I want you to keep an eye on it. And in the other hand, specific for Bitcoin, for BTC, you have okay, I have my master list, and it is here. You have a great indicator. It's the BLX, or Brave New Coin Liquid Index. Okay, and let's put here May the 3rd. Okay, this indicator you know, has a delay, but in the end, it tries to get all of the volume together. And I also see people doing this. I also see people using this indicator. And as you might see, on March 12th of March, you see that the trading volume here, it's only 41,000 BTCs. Okay, so tell me something. Which exchange would you use to analyze and get good insights of volume? There's no discussion about it. So you have to use Binance. Okay, let me go again here. You see it's BOLX, Brave New Coin Liquidity Index for Bitcoin. Okay, and let's go back to Binance. Okay. Okay, forex and stocks. This is much easier, but it gets very tricky when we talk about crypto. Okay, so please pay attention. And in the end, what we want to look here is the convergence or divergence. Okay, I want to see if we have a trend continuation or if the trend is about to end. Okay, one thing here is really visual. Okay, so you see that there's a very big volume here. Okay, and you see one candle big volume, another candle big volume here. Oh, this look at here, very small volume, higher volume, even higher volume here. Okay, and another very big green candle. Okay, and we have let's say a breathing here. We can consider this, for example, Rob Hoffman retraction bar, right? And the volume started to decreasing a little bit once price got sideways. Okay, and then you see the volume going down. Okay, what to expect here? Okay, when we see that the volume going down, it's not really the case that the trend will change, right? You have to pay attention because the trend is about to end, or you are gonna have some breathing in the market to have a continuation after, right? Okay, let me get another asset here. Let's get Audi USD again. I'm doing these, guys, because you have to understand that when we talk about charts, okay, we basically are talking about any kind of asset that we can analyze. So this works for everything. Okay, right? Now you can see this very big downtrend in Audi USD, and you can see that the volume is increasing. The more the price drops, okay, the more the volume goes up. Okay, so yeah, when you see something like this, you really have to pay attention into the trend. Okay, but you will never know. You will never know if, for example, here this very high volume. Let's zoom in it. Okay, it's a sign of trend continuation. Okay, if you are here, exactly here, and you see that you saw the downtrend, you saw the up volume, you know, you can never know, you can never guess if the next candle are going to be a green or a red candle, if the next 3 or 10 candle are gonna keep on dropping, or if you are gonna have some kind of a reversal. So what we do a very simple stuff. It's such a simple stuff that we can use, and it's called stop loss. Okay, right? Of course, you're gonna find here in the channel a lot of other tools. We are gonna talk in this playlist about not VV, sorry, VV ist Deutsch. Ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch, aber sehr schlecht. It's WWV. We have OBV. We have VWAPs and a lot of stuff that you're gonna see on this playlist. So stick with us, okay? Mainly on the next video that I'm going to talk about candle color. And this is a great tool, okay? And I'm also going to present you a free indicator, okay? And here you can see it again, okay? The price is going up, okay? The price is going up, and we have basically no change in volume, okay? But this candle is interesting. You see, you have a volume, you have an up volume, and you have a down volume, okay? Every time you see you have a candle with a volume decrease, you might expect that the next candle won't follow the trend. we don't know if it's gonna be only a retracement bar, if the price will start sideways, or if we are going to have a trend reversal. Okay, but what we have to pay attention is the trend of the volume. And for example, here, Augusto, it's only 3 candles, friend. It was 3 days with volume decreasing. I'm gonna mark this down here, okay, so you can check that. Right? Let me get here and here. Okay, and let check only this region here. Okay. Come on, now I have to go to the past a little bit. Where are my market areas? I hope they are available. You know, I like to make this video very spontaneously. You know, I don't prepare myself. Okay, I don't have this. I don't have the amount of needed candles here, but not a problem. I'm gonna do this again. Let's get the daily chart again and find another trend more close to the date we are. Oh, well, okay. Okay, let's see here. This is a very, very good example. Okay? Example. We have here the volume decreasing, okay? And so let's grab here, okay? Right? Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. This is not magic. This won't work every day. This won't work every time. But it's a great tool to have some market insight, okay? Of course, by the way that we go through this playlist, you're gonna have a lot of very, very nice tools, okay? And you are gonna predict the price better. Okay, I promise you that. But let's go step by step. Okay, let me take this out here. Okay, and can you see inside here? Every time the price goes up, the volume goes up too, and then we have price go down, volume go down. And now here it's very interesting because you have a trend confirmation. Price is going down, volume is going up, right? And now you have a price going up, and the volume going down. And look what happens. Okay, there was a small price up here, but once again, price going down, volume going down. And then there you see some green bars, and then price going down again with a volume going up. Okay, now we see price going down with volume going down, right? So it means that we have a probably a trend reversal. And once again, you have a price going up with a volume going up. And now you have a price going up with a volume going down. So here is what I want you to start paying attention, okay? Normally, when we start a big trend, price will go up and volume will follow. Okay, sooner or later, it doesn't matter if it's going to be in 1 minute chart or on the monthly chart. It happens everywhere. You just, no matter what time frame, okay, you have to stick to the trend in the time frame that you are analyzing. Okay, what you cannot do, you cannot look at the volume of a 5-minute price change related to volume and expect to have a daily movement. Okay, if you are analyzing 5 minutes, you have to expect movements of 5 minutes chart. Okay, this is the biggest mistake. There's a lot of people talking bullshit, like, oh, the biggest time frame, they are the price respects it more. No, it means that in biggest time frames you have biggest moves, and it takes more time to happen. On 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart, you also have the same movements you see on the daily time frame, but you have to respect the price range, the volatility, and the targets, stop loss, take profits of 1-minute time frame. If you understand that, okay, you're gonna be much happier while trading. Then we sometimes have this. We have a retracement, and we have to pay attention to this retracement. Is volume going up or down in this retracement? And we want to see the volume going down. So it means, you know, people are closing positions. Some people are already happy with their profits or whatever. You know, we have some late buyers too. Okay, minds that are participating here. And then we see another movement. And in this movement, sooner or later, the volume will go down. And when we see this leg, we have to find a way to surf it. And when we see this leg, of course, we can surf it based on other indicators, for instance, but we have to get prepared for a sideways market or maybe a trend reversal. Okay, so this was the very first video. This is just a small introduction to the theme, and stick with us because we are gonna explore this theme more and more. See you guys. Good traders, good trades, good monies, and best regards.